Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Hiring Mentor. Welcome back everyone. We are back with yet another amazing and a fruitful video. So make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video because this video is unique and it is going to be important for you all, every one of you who are watching this and who are aspirant of any particular job or a particular company. So today, as you can see, we will be discussing about future jobs of India. This session is going to be unique because you know that after post COVID, the entire scenario of job has changed. Now we will be discussing about this in the upcoming slide. Now moving on to the next slide, you can see, or we all know that we all have like around 41 lakh of Indian youth have lost their job because of pandemic. You know that what happened with the migrant workers, that they had to shift from one place to another. And what to see, like COVID-19 has changed the entire lives, the livelihood of many people, starting from poor. We all have seen migrant workers and the panic stricken situation or the difficult situation they have gone through, but the reality is they are not the only one in this particular situation. There are many technical jobs or software engineers in many private companies who have lost their job, and it's not also restricted to private jobs as well. There are many government jobs like rail or other jobs which have sent resignation letters to their employees, or who have worked a lot or worked or given services for more than 3 or 4 years in a particular government service. They have been asked to sign a resignation, and it also happened with the private companies as well, so it's same there. So we are really going through a very bad time, and the reason why people are losing job during the pandemic is because there are many jobs like construction and farming sectors. Constructions means constructing home or these type of fields where work from home is not possible at all. Now everything is not like sitting in front of the laptop in your room and monitoring or doing some job through them. There are many sectors which cannot be done with work from home, like construction and farming sector, which have been hit very badly during the pandemic. And obviously that is the reason why people have lost job. And it's not our country that this thing has happened. It has happened globally. So globally we have been through a tough time, and it got severe challenged in Asia and the Pacific, according to the joint report by International Labor Organization and Asian Development Bank. So this was all about the current job scenario. We are all going through a very tough time. We are all going through a very difficult, and jobs are really very short. So now moving on to the next slide, we will be discussing about how technology has taken over the job market. Now, as we have showed you that in this particular video, we will be discussing about the future jobs of India, that is our country. We will be talking about those sectors where it's very upcoming, or we have future in this particular sectors. Okay, so artificial intelligence is one of those sectors where there are upcoming prospects, and there are many also um, fields where we have upcoming prospect, where we have bright future. One is artificial intelligence, and the other is agriculture, and medical sciences has always been prospering and upcoming. We will be never falling short of doctors or nurses, because our country has a lot of population. It has 1.3 billion population, so we are not never going to get shortage of doctors. We're talking about artificial intelligence is because we there are many companies who are switching to permanent work from home, and so for this a lot of software development or new technology is required. So I think that software engineers or BSc graduates from artificial intelligence can see a very bright prospect. So if you're a college student or you're a 12th pass right now, you can jot down this, because these are the fields where you can pursue your graduation as well, so that you can see a very bright future for yourself. In the course of most recent couple of years, robots and PCs have been taken enormous jumps in their presentation and abilities and have supplanted more human possession. So what I mean is this technology related or software related upcoming or updated, these are the fields which are going to be more prospering. So according to this, you can choose your academic qualification and you can build up your future. Now that was all about the technology that has taken over the job market. Now the rest of the video will be conducted by one of my colleagues, Saujanya Rajeshwari, who will be speaking more about this topic. So yeah, over to you.
Hi everyone, now I am going to explain about what were the future of jobs post-COVID. We all know that this COVID-19 has changed the world and most of the people have lost their jobs and the unemployment rate in our country has tremendously increased. Well, there is a research that was conducted by the British research firm Cross by Texture. Actually, it conducted a research across different countries and they found out that especially in our country, the unemployment rate is very high because of this pandemic situation. Actually, after the lockdown was imposed in the month of March and it continued till the month of July. In that period, most of the people have lost their positions and most of the people have shut down their companies and most have lost their jobs. Well, this is about the research. And 86% of those overviewed dreaded losing their positions and they lost their jobs as I have already covered before and business post COVID lockdowns. Our India has the longest lockdown that was conducted in the month of March and it continued till the month of May. Well, in that, most of the people have lost their job positions, especially, and people who have small firms and small business have completely damaged and they incurred so much of losses. Well, this was the situation in those months in the year 2020. Not only in our country but also in other countries, there are some percentages that was given by the British research firm. Well, 31% in Britain, 33% in Australia, and 41% in the US, and a sensibly high 71 percentage among Hong Kongers. Well, this was the percentages that was recorded in the year of 2020 and how it impacted on the unemployment rate in different countries. Well, this was the situation. Well, now here, what kind of upskilling is required for freshers and job-ready students? Well, to say that our India population is 138 crores. Out of these 100 crores people are in the working age, where the people who are under the 15 years are not considered in this record. Well, in this 138 crores, mostly 48 crores people lost their jobs because of this pandemic situation. Well, this was the record that was conducted. And as you can see here in this question, like what kind of upskills is required for freshers and job ready students? What kind of skills is needed to the students and how the candidates need to improve themselves in order to find a job in this competitive world? Well, there is so much of competition in this world and it's not easy to find a job, but the candidate who has relevant skills and knowledge will definitely find a job and has the highest chances of getting hired in any of the companies or organizations or institutions to be in a very good positions. Well, here there is a record of first Naukri.com. As you all know, it's an official website where you can find job applications or where you can find internships as well. This is a website that it promotes the job applications. It also gives valuable information about the jobs that are available in these days. It posted 34,000 fresher jobs in the months of January to March, but it is down by two-thirds post lockdown because of this pandemic situation and because of this lockdown. Before that period, it has decreased to the two-thirds of it, and the jobs that were provided by this Naukri.com has decreased a bit. So this was about it. And this was the kind of situation where people have lost many jobs and there was complete discouragement among the candidates who completed their graduation or who are graduated recently. Well, let me give you an example of a person who has completed his MBA and he started looking for a job to do in multinational companies. And after this lockdown period has started, he didn't know what to do, and he slowly started depending on the online courses and slowly started improving his knowledge day by day without any wastage of time. In that way, that person who has completed his MBA, he just started depending on the online courses and he slowly started enhancing his skills. So by this example that I have given, so just consider it yourself, and please rely on the online courses up to this period until this pandemic has ended. Well, you shouldn't waste your time and you should upgrade your skills every day. You need to enhance your knowledge every day, and there are many kind of website that provides education. Basing on that, you just need to enhance your skills, you need to improve your communication skills and whatever skills you are interested in. So don't waste your time in this world. Finding a job is not an easy task, but it will be easy for you if you have relevant skills and accurate knowledge about that particular field of study that you have chosen. Well, however, whatsoever the situation is, the job market is always tight and demanding. Well, there is one factor that will be always in the market, that is competition. Competition will be there everywhere, all around the world. Many candidates will be searching for the jobs. Mostly all the candidates who completed their graduation will start finding the jobs in the market. And because of this competition, it will be little bit difficult for you to find a job. But when you have relevant skills and accurate knowledge, please remember this point. Definitely you will have the highest chances of hiring in any of the companies. Well, all you need to do is upgrade your knowledge and you need to enhance your skills, and you shouldn't stop studying at certain point. You should continue it until you find a job, and you need to keep on working so hard. Well, there's a statement given by the Express Employment Professional franchise owner Bruce Heen in Sarnia. He said one thing: well, the employees who are lifelong learners both personally and professionally, they will get the highest chances of hiring in any organizations, and they would be very useful in the organizations to work in. Well, this is the statement that was said by him. So as per the statement, you can see, well, the employees or the candidates who are lifelong learners, who keep on studying, who doesn't waste their time both personally and professionally, well, definitely they will get the highest chances of hiring. And their hard work will not be vain in future. Definitely their hard work and their knowledge will be useful in any of these sectors, and they can apply in any of the sectors they want, which is based on that selected field of those people. So basing on this statement, you can rely on, you just need to upgrade your skills as I have already covered before, but this is the important point to remember. So don't waste your time, and please keep hard working, and please do hard work, so much of hard work, and please keep learning every day, like new things. Like, don't waste your time and don't rely on social media completely, but use the social media in a very good manner to upgrade your knowledge and skills. Well, this is about this video, and I think we have come to an end to this video. And if you find this video useful, please hit a like, please do subscribe, and please do share it with your friends. And if you need any videos, or if you need any kind of useful videos from this channel, please comment in this comment section and let us know about it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you all like this video, and I think this video provided you so much of knowledge that you required. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.